Hey, what's up everybody? Today we are doing a spicy chicken marinade. You know, chicken can sometimes be a little bit boring, but when you have the right marinade, it can be the best thing you've ever eaten. Good marinade not only imparts a lot of flavor to your chicken, but also some tenderness and also juiciness from the overall cooking process. It just makes it that much better. Whenever I want to fire up the grill, this is the recipe that I love to use. It has a lot of different spices and it's just fantastic, and I think you're gonna love it. So let me show you how to make it. All right, my friends, let's make a spicy chicken marinade that I think you are going to love if you like it spicy like I do. So first things first is we get all of our ingredients all set up here, and I have a good sized bowl for whisking. And the ingredients include, I have a half a cup of olive oil, and use a good quality olive oil that you like the flavor of, as well as a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. And you can use other vinegars for this. I've made it with other vinegars like white vinegar. It's actually really awesome with malt vinegar. Give that a try, I think you'll like it. And 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire, or however you feel like saying it. Along with hot sauce. So this is 2 tablespoons of my homemade habanero hot sauce. It's nice heat level to it that I prefer. So when using hot sauce, it's really best to use a heat level that you prefer for yourself. And we have a lot of spices, so this is gonna really add a lot of pizzazz and power to your chicken here. So here I have a tablespoon of cayenne, but you can use milder if you want to, but you can also use hotter. Sometimes I'll use ghost powder or like a mix of cayenne with ghost for a real hot level, but again, that's to your preference. And paprika. This is a smoked paprika. I've got 1 tablespoon into the bowl. And a tablespoon of dried basil. You definitely can use fresh if you want. Use about half the amount, but I like this dried. It works really well. And a tablespoon of granulated garlic. And a tablespoon of onion powder. And salt and pepper to taste, really. I have a teaspoon each here into the bowl. And then we're just gonna whisk it together. It's a nice, delicious, kind of a thicker marinade with all of these spices. And if you wanna thin it out at all, if you're doing like a very large batch of chicken, you can add a little bit more oil and vinegar and it'll thin it out enough for you. Even a little water is okay. But yeah, look at that. This is flavor right here, my friends. All right, we're all whisked up, so let me get the chicken. All right, I got my chicken and a bag. So the next step here is with your chicken, and this recipe works with any kind of a chicken. You can use bone-in chicken if you want to, chicken breasts, chicken thighs, boneless, bone-in, skin on, it really doesn't matter. Today I have some chicken breasts that I've sliced up to be slightly thin. And with the chicken, if you want to, like, you can poke it a little bit so that the marinade will enter the chicken a little bit more freely. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken to our sealable bag. And you can use a more like a large bowl if you want to as well. I've done that and it works great. Into the bag. And then just pour the marinade right in. Like so. That wasn't for you.
Sorry, I thought I heard my name.
No. Seriously. All right, got the marinade in there. And we're gonna go ahead and just kind of rub it all in, man. Get it nice and rubbed in. Gonna smear it all up in that amazing chicken. Look at that. All right, so I'm gonna seal this up here, like so. And we'll marinate it for at least 2 hours. 2 hours is great. You can get away with like a 30-minute marinade, but it's not gonna be quite as, as much flavor penetration. 2 hours will be very good, but really if you can get this going in the morning, you can even make the marinade the day before and then get this chicken marinating in the morning, and you come home from work or wherever, boom, you're ready to toss it on the grill. Huge, yum. All right, I'm gonna refrigerate this for now, and then we will back and we will grill up some chicken. So let's talk about variations. As mentioned, you can use other vinegars with this. I really like the fruitiness of the apple cider vinegar and the tartness to it, but there's something about malt vinegar that's actually really tasty, and I think you should try it. Another ingredient I sometimes add is soy sauce. Soy sauce adds a nice saltiness and a very distinctive flavor, so a quarter cup of that will add a new dimension to this if you're really looking for just a slight variation. Secondly, sometimes I like a little lemon juice for like an extra acidic pop and that just citrus flavor. But also if you're looking for just a little touch of sweet, add just a little bit of honey or brown sugar as a variation, and that will bring another interesting dimension to your marinade and to your final resulting delicious chicken. All right, guys, my chicken has been marinating for a few hours here. Set this down. And the next step is we're just gonna get the chicken moved over into something so we can take it out and grill it. And just reach in here. I'll probably make a mess. You're gonna tap off any of the excess marinade. You don't know too much in there. And you can discard the marinade. Some people like to cook it, and you can use it as a sauce, which, hey, give it a go. And yeah, I'm messy, sorry. But after I clean myself, we will go out and get grilling. All right, I got my grill heated up to a good medium-high heat and lightly oiled the grates. And really, you only need about 4 to 5 minutes per side for grilling your chicken this way. It really just depends on the thickness of your chicken. It's best to cook to temperatures, so internal temp of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius to cook your chicken through properly. Also, you don't have to grill your chicken. You can really cook it any way you'd like to. You can give it a pan sear or a grill pan on the stove top, air fry, bake your chicken, pretty much any way you want to cook it. This is gonna make delicious, delicious chicken. All right, check it out, guys. Got my amazing grilled chicken right here. Let them rest a little bit, and then it's sliced and served. Yum, look at that. Beautiful chicken. Seriously, look at how moist that is. Yum. So this is a great recipe for making ahead, but you can also freeze it. So if you make your marinade and marinate your chicken in a baggie, you can go ahead and freeze the chicken in portions so that you can have chicken just ready to cook up and grill all week long. Big flavor, easy meal prep for you. All right, let's give it a taste, my friends. Best part of the day. Yum, yum. Chicken is amazing. Spicy barbecue chicken marinade, my friends. It's definitely my preferred grilled chicken marinade, nice and spicy. I hope you love it as much as I do. And hey, if you guys are looking for more incredible, awesome, spicy recipes, boom, boom, popping up right here for you. And hey, I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below about the recipe. And I'd love to hear how you're gonna spice yours up. So, hey, thanks a lot for hanging out in my kitchen with me today. I hope to see you next time. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Bye.